Once upon a time, there was a little dog. The dog was clever, playful, and, oh, very, very greedy.
One sunny day, the dog found a big, juicy bone lying near the market. His eyes sparkled, and he wagged his tail in delight. As the dog crossed the bridge, he looked down and saw something amazing in the water. Wow, thought the dog. That dog has a bone too, and it looks even bigger than mine. I must have it. The dog barked at the other dog, hoping it would drop its bone. Woof, woof, he barked louder and louder. Then the dog had an idea. If I bark really hard, the other dog might get scared and drop the bone. The dog opens his mouth wide and lets out a loud bark. Woof, but in doing so, he drops his own bone into the river. The poor dog, he realized too late that the other dog was just his reflection. Now, his big, juicy bone was gone. From that day on, the dog learned an important lesson: don't be greedy. Be happy with what you have. And the dog became a wiser, happier dog, enjoying life without greed.